Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Please remember this video reflects my personal experience with the service. Today, we're taking a closer look at K-Health, a telehealth app that's transforming how we access medical consultations. This review covers everything you should know before trying it out. K-Health is a platform designed for individuals seeking quick, budget-friendly healthcare access without the inconvenience of scheduling traditional doctor appointments. Whether you're dealing with a minor health issue or require a prescription refill, K-Health connects you with medical professionals instantly via chat, video call, or phone 24/7. Let's start with K-Health's standout features. The app leverages AI to analyze your symptoms, drawing on millions of data points from real patient cases. This AI-powered analysis offers a likely diagnosis even before you consult with a doctor, providing valuable insight into your potential condition. K-Health also offers unlimited consultations for a single flat fee, a significant advantage for those without insurance or with high deductibles. The pricing is straightforward, $29 for a one-time visit or $39 per month for unlimited visits, considerably less expensive than traditional healthcare costs. K-Health is an excellent option for tech-savvy individuals who prefer managing their health online. It's ideal for busy professionals, parents short on time, or anyone seeking a more convenient way to address routine medical needs. However, it's essential to understand that K-Health isn't a substitute for emergency care or ongoing chronic condition management. It's most effective for common health concerns like infections, allergies, and mental health issues. While K-Health's AI is impressive, it's important to remember that it isn't perfect. There might be occasions where the RA's suggestion doesn't fully align with your specific situation. Therefore, it's crucial to use the service in conjunction with your own judgment and not rely solely on its analysis. Additionally, while the platform addresses a wide range of issues, certain conditions require in-person evaluations, which K-Health cannot provide. In summary, K-Health provides a convenient and cost-effective solution for various healthcare needs. If you prioritize speed, affordability, and easy access in healthcare, K-Health is certainly worth considering. However, keep in mind that it's not a replacement for comprehensive in-person care, especially when dealing with complex or serious health conditions. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helps you decide if K-Health is the right fit for you.